Okay, here you can see the moisture barrier and welded wire mesh that the concrete is poured on top of. Here I wanted to give you the perspective of how far the boom of the pump needs to extend to pour the slab. Okay, they start in the farthest corner from the pump truck. In the background, you can see a worker using a vibrator so that the concrete settles properly in the form and reduces air cavities. The concrete mixing truck is feeding the concrete into the pump truck. Here a worker uses a magnesium float to smooth out the concrete. Screeding is the process of leveling and smoothing out of the concrete. It can be done with a 2x4. A bull float is used to smooth out the concrete and press down any large aggregate. Here you can see a worker pulling up the welded wire mesh with a hook. The welded wire mesh won't do any good laying flat against the ground. A magnesium float is good for precision around protrusions in the slab. Here is probably a rough end for some plumbing. As you can see, here is the formwork for the concrete footing of a column. It will be poured later on. And here's what the finished slab should look like after they've smoothed it out. Some more screeding.